Let's make creamy rice pudding. For the creamy rice pudding, we're gonna need some short grain rice. As you guys can see, this is a little bit shorter and more fat. So this is carnaroli. You can use the carnaroli, arborio. Any rice for making risotto is a good rice for making this rice pudding because they have more starch. Okay, don't use basmati rice or any long grain rice. So first ingredient, rice. We're gonna use as well sweet condensed milk. Okay, we're gonna use vanilla extract. We're gonna use this custard. If you can find these, you can sometimes you can find double cream as well, which is good. If you don't find, don't use it. Use more condensed milk. We're gonna need some nut milk, and we're gonna need some cinnamon. It's really easy, this recipe. So first, we're just gonna cook the rice in water, and then after we're gonna season with all the other ingredients. So here we have, guys, our rice in the pot. Always measure the amount of water. So I have here 1 cup of rice. I'm gonna put 2 cups of boiling water in the rice. Now no steam here, good. We're gonna put this fire, bring this rice to boil. And then when it's boiling, we're gonna lower the fire and let it cook. This is what we want. See, the rice is cooked. The water is dry. Now, we're just gonna lose up this rice. We're gonna put this fire here on low. And what we do, we're gonna add the sugar. We're gonna add our custard. We're gonna add the vanilla. We're gonna add condensed milk. Tell me how this can be bad. I like to add always a pinch of cinnamon as well, and a little bit of the almond milk. Now we're gonna mix all this together, because we want to make sure that the sugar is dissolved. Important thing is, here is, if you want to serve this hot, you need to add less liquid, okay? Because you see how it is too runny, okay? So basically, I will serve this cold. And I know when this mixture cools down, this is gonna thicken. Let's give it a taste. Amazing. So now what am I gonna do? I will just bring this to boil. And when this just starts to boil just a little bit, I'm gonna put it aside and transfer it to a pot or jars, let it cool down, and it's ready to go. Simple like that. That's it. That's what we need. A little bit of boiling. I'm gonna turn off, let this cool down. Then I'm gonna put in some glasses and into the fridge.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.